hope that wasn't fragile.
Want to open this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, socks. Here, we'll put them back. No, baby, let's leave the socks in the container. Okay, we'll put them back in a minute. This is from Nina and Papa.
Oh, Papa.
Yeah, your Papa. Here. Return the paper. Return the paper. It's there. Pull. Pull hard.
Hold it hard. Pull. Pull.
Pull, pull.
Pull, pull. Pull, pull, pull. Pull,
You got your very own laptop.
Wow!
Yeah. You got your own computer. We'll take it out and look at it.
Hey Sarah, can you say thank you to Nina and
Say
Papa?
Thank you. Thank you. Can you say thank you, Nina? Bye, Nina.